Hey guys, welcome to Finn's Family Farm, and my name is Micah. If you're new here, thank you for watching today. If you're old here, thank you for coming back and watching today. Today we need to do a grill repair. I need to add a new hose to it, and that way we can cook some hamburgers tonight. It's a beautiful Thursday today. Need to do some things. Woke up with a little headache today. Here's all the babies and the goatsies. They're doing good, having fun. There's Titus. He was inside his little house there sleeping. And then I still gotta fix the fence. There's Midnight. Hey buddy, he's resting in the shade right now. Still need to do the hood of the tractor. But I have misplaced a tool, and I'm trying to figure out where I put it. I don't remember where I put it. Oh, here it is, right here. Aha. My adjustable wrench. All right. It says it says it's 80 degrees out here today. Feels like 90 with a small breeze. And it has a small little breeze. It's not a cold breeze. It's more like a breeze that is moving hot air around. Alright guys, so let's see. Let's get started. This grill is made by Next Grill, and this lasted good 4 years. Maybe longer. So I need to undo this bolt right here, which will move this hose. Done. I'm gonna put this new one on. Alright guys, that new one's on, and let me look at my propane tank and see if it works. Alright. Propane is connected. Make sure this doohie's tighter. Alright. So we're going to turn the propane on now. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see it or hear it, but it works. So that job is done. That works. So that's good. That works. There's another little project that I need to get done other than the tractor. If I remember right, next week we will be closing on our new land, and then I can start working out there, getting things done out there. We can show you the land out there. So I'm going in here to the American breast birds because their water bucket, for some reason they like to knock it off. So what I'm going to do is find a smaller brick, put it in here, then I'm going to strap it to this pipe right here, so they can't knock it off no more. And so, being that it's getting hotter out here, I'm going to take this tarp and I'm going to fold it to where they get airflow through there as well. We'll also, once we close, we might be moving a few things over to the new property a little at a time. And I don't know what we're gonna move first over there. I know that I need to take the tractor over there with the bush hog. I need to bush hog some stuff, get the grass. The grass needs to be cut out there. So I'm probably gonna do that first. But and then later on we'll just start slowly taking things out there for now. Like maybe this brooder, because we're not gonna use it anytime soon. And there's a pole barn there. So we might take that first, just to get out of the way. Plus it needs a new rooftop. It's leaking. Let's see. All those pallets back there we'll probably take also. So I don't know if some of y'all have been worried about our renter up there that doesn't pay any bills. Her bird nest got blown down during one of the storms. And it's still right there. So I left it there for her to build a new nest. And that is what she has done. Right here. Right there. She's building a nest, as y'all see. So I'm happy for her. I have a smaller brick, so we're gonna take that brick over there and change it out with that other brick, that bigger one. I have smaller brick right here. I'm getting all the bugs off of it. Okay. So I got the smaller brick right there. See? Right there. So we're gonna take this off. We're gonna put it right there. We're gonna take this little bitty brick. That's that. We're gonna put this thing back on it. So if you don't know what these are, it's where when they get up here and sit, they don't poop in their water. All right, that is that. So now I need to go get some twine. Just hopefully the birds don't pick at it and break it. Hopefully. We'll see. You're fine. No. You're okay. Y'all got hay. Go eat y'all's hay. Well, that's not your mama. You're grabbing the wrong milker. All right, well. I don't know if I want to put any animals out there on the property yet, being that we're out in the middle of the woods. There's gonna be a lot of wild animals, deer, bear, coons, possums, coyotes. So I don't know if I'm putting any chickens out there yet, or goats. So we'll just have to wait and see on that. All right, so we gotta move this for a little bit. There. Now we're just gonna tie it off, just like so. That way they can't make it fall. All right, that's done, guys. Easy peasy. All right. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button. That way you get notified when we make our videos. And this is Finn. Y'all have a good day.